Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to install Gmail app on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To install Gmail app on Windows 11 computer, go to your Google Chrome browser and log into your Gmail account. And then on upper right corner you will find a three dot icon. To show more, click on three dot icon, and here you will find save and share. Under save and share you will find install page app. Just click on install page app. Here in pop-up window you will find Gmail logo, and in name box by default Gmail is showing here. You can change as you wish. I'm not changing it. Just click on install button, and Gmail app has been installed on my Windows 11 computer. And here you will find a Gmail icon on your desktop, and if you want to pin Gmail app on your taskbar, click on yes on this pop-up window, and now you will find a Gmail icon on your taskbar also. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.